Hello there. It's our second at sea day. It's just the beginning, as you can tell, because it's just coffee and legs. So we're just having our early morning coffee on the veranda. We, unlike normal people, we get up early on at sea days because we're gonna go take advantage of a lack of people at breakfast, and then hopefully a lack of people on the Aqua Duck, and then a lack of people in the pools, and we'll get there before everybody else. That's the plan, anyways.
And then?
We'll see how that works out. No, and then.
Take a nap? No!
You shouldn't talk then. If you don't want to be in the video, you shouldn't talk. So, and then we'll probably take a nap and then get ready for dinner and another night out. We did trivia and then some post-dinner bar hopping last night, which was nice. Still got to bed at a reasonable hour because we're old. Anyways, that's the plan. That's the plan for today. And yeah, please enjoy a few more seconds of this fabulous rainbow that goes right into the ocean.
Oh, there's the other side of it. You see it?
Yep. Taste the rainbow again. Alright, I'm not normally a film the food kind of guy, but apparently this Mickey Churro waffle is apparently the highlight everybody looks forward to. Or at least wants to know if they're going to have it. So we have it, so we had to try it. Somebody got two. Somebody thinks they're going to be really happy with it. Okay, food blog over. Val said she wants to go to Nemo's splash pad.
No.
She said she could easily spend all day at Nemo's splash pad. Alright, am I stalling now?
Yeah.
I'm still stalling.
Pick it up.
I'm being ordered to relax.
That's fine. You have to hurry up so you can go relax.
Makes sense to me. Why wouldn't that be the way? Mike Wazowski, I'll be back to see you later. Hey, should I just do this till you want to? We want ice cream. I think I've been cleared for relaxation now. Got my chair set up, got my bird clip friends. Now I'm actually able to just take it all in. At least for a half hour until we go to the Aqua Duck. Have fun. Alright, now we've been summoned to the Aqua Duck, so, well, roll the aqueduct. Aqueduct? Aqueduct. Fine. Going that way. Going up. Oh, now we get to go cruising. cruising section. Oh, that was fun. It's pretty splashy. A little slow in the second half, but a lot of fun. I don't know if I think it's any better than the Aqua Mouse. Different rides, both fun. A little rainy out there, so we just did it once. Back to doing nothing. It's a little shadowy.
Little mid-morning refreshment.
It's practically late morning now. Can't get me in trouble that way. Nice try.
Anyway, cheers.
Cheers.
Gotta creep back in there one more time.
Oh, you're going back inside. All right, well, just showing off the door. It's easy when you know how.
Why is it not working?
Oh, hello.
Oh, hello.
Get everything you needed?
Yeah.
All right. There is some candy in our fish extender also.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Who gave us
a couple
candy?
stickers. I don't know. It doesn't say. Just a couple pieces of candy and some stickers.
Oh, that's
So,
nice.
Val's leaving Pixie Dust. It's a return Pixie Dust. We got dusted. Everyone's getting dusted out here today.
You can have it light up yo-yo.
Yay! Light up yo-yo for funnies. Florida Gator.
Welcome.
This is coming along perfectly. Mickey! Yes? Hey, Mickey, what are you doing in Mickey's office? I have an important case. Well, Mickey Mouse is out to lunch, okay? Okay. But he put me in charge, okay? You gotta be kidding. No, it's true. I'm in charge, so what is the problem? Okay, listen, someone has taken all our props and we can't perform the show without them. Oh, Pepe, what we need is a real detective. Hey, how about you? Can you help us?
Yes.
Oh, I don't think so, Carmen. I think we could do better, okay? No, listen, really, we need your help to find our missing props or we won't be able to put on our show. You're gonna have to search all over the ship. Okay, folks, the detective trainer Susan will now explain how to help. Flashlight to look for a clue. Let's check Beauregard's room. Is that legal? 2 words. International waters. Hurry, detectives. We'll meet you at the next painting.
Okay, Beauregard.
Beauregard.
Why'd you do it?
We know you took the props. Why'd you steal them? Steal them? I only put them where Miss Piggy told me to. Piggy? Piggy, Piggy, is this true? Well, why would you do such a thing? Wait a
time for
second.
her
Don't tell
number?
me you did this just so we can have romantic dinner.
Oh.
Fine. But I won't tell you. But
Kermit! Kermit!
okay.
Kermit, come here, come here!
Yeah, but
Well, we have a problem with our big opening number. There's no one to set off our patented Muppet Lab indoor fireworks.
I can do it.
hey, detectives, you've all been so helpful. Why don't you set off the fireworks, okay?
Thanks.
Thank you so much for helping.
What's time?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's the Muppet.
Well, that is definitely a wrap on today, our at sea day. Probably left off after the Muppet Detective Agency, at which time we did some dinner, our planned dinner, the fancy dinner tonight. And then we did a little bit of after hours, listened to Taylor Swift Violin Style for a few minutes, but it's kind of a long day. We're going to call it early night. We have a big day at Castaway Key tomorrow, so we're turning in early. The rest of the boat can go do their thing. And we're going to get ready for a big day at Castaway Key tomorrow. Au revoir.